guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. So today is more of a day in my life vlog. I'm going to be taking you along with me to the gym first. Muffin and I are heading to the gym, and then after that we are going to get a few items because we need to restock on some groceries, and then later on I have to make dinner. So yeah, you guys can come hang out with me for the day. And thank you so much for tuning in to my vlog. I do hope that you enjoy it, and if you haven't subscribed yet, I hope that you will click on that subscribe button. I hope that you will like this video and that you will leave a comment below as well if you can. Otherwise, have a good day and mwah. Braces update. I haven't spoken to you guys in a while with regards to my braces journey, and I just wanted to quickly say that as you can see, I now have a gap in the middle of my teeth. Remember what I said about the misalignment, and that we're trying to move my teeth individually in order to be aligned with the center of my face. So we're still doing that, and now we've gotten to a point where we've moved my one tooth to the side, and now we're going to start moving the other tooth towards its center point where it should be. So that's currently where we are. Just in case you're wondering, Aibo, why does Andy now have a gap in her teeth? Like, what's that about? No guys, it's still part of my braces journey, because remember, all our journeys are different and unique to whatever problems that we're trying to resolve where our teeth are concerned. So yeah, we're still moving them around, and yeah, I thought I should just update you guys quickly. And soon, as soon as I've closed the gap in the middle, I actually want to do a video about my journey to date, because now I've had my braces for I think a year and 2 months, and I think that's enough time for me to just really give you all the do's and don'ts and all the things you should know before you even get your braces, all the things you didn't even know would happen before you get your braces. So yeah, it will just be a big summary of just like everything that I've experienced to date with regards to my braces journey. Not bad for your first day back at gym, right? Not bad at all. No, but so far so good. But that was a whole 40, so
That was it?
that was 40, so you did great. how did you find our first session back at the gym?
It was terrible. You lose 10 mil.
Yeah, it was like the worst thing ever. We had like the worst time ever at the gym. It was completely awful because we're so unfit right now. We haven't been to gym in a while.
It
So,
was gym 10.
eh?
It was gym 10 and myself and yourself.
No, yeah, it was 10-0 to the gym, right? So now that we're done at the gym, we're just gonna get a few grocery items before we head back Kontlong. And yeah, so let's just quickly do a grocery run and do some restocking.